Okay, let's understand how we search a particular job on LinkedIn and how can we create a job alert so that whenever we get some openings on certain company, we will get notified from them. Okay, so let's open LinkedIn first. I'll go and open the LinkedIn. Here, so this is the home page of the LinkedIn. Now I want job of a tax analyst in the Big Four. Okay, so I will search tax analyst. Okay, we will wait for the result. Now we are having lot of suggestions for the tax analyst. See, we are hiring Deloitte and all 3 days back. Now for effective search, we will click on job because this is job which we are looking for. Okay, now we will select experience level of us. The experience level will be according to your choice, entry level, okay, or internship which you want maybe. Now the second filter, we will choose company. So suppose I want job in EY. Okay, I'll select EY. The list of company will be coming. EY. I want job in PwC. Okay, I want job in KPMG maybe. Yes, KPMG. Now show result. Now again we will select job type. Okay, it's full time. Next filter would be, let's see what next filter comes. Okay, it says on site or remote. Okay, we can select all three. On site means on office, remote means work from home, hybrid means sometime work from home and sometime from the office. Now we will say so result. So these all are the openings which is there for freshers. Okay, which all company is hiring, like EY, PwC, KPMG. Okay, these all are hiring. Now when you click here, okay, get job search alert for this search, we will click open. Now whenever there is opening, okay, in this company, we will get posted that okay, there is in opening here. Okay, see, also try to take location like Bangalore I want, Gurgaon, Kolkata I want, Bangalore, Hyderabad, all the state which I want to go into. Okay, now these all is these all openings are for Bangalore, okay, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Gurgaon. Okay, and now we can easily apply from here. If you click here, you will see lot of more filter coming around. Okay, now you can easily search and look for this. Suppose this private tax EY advanced analyst, I will click on here. Okay, now we see that there is an opening here. Okay, they have posted 2 weeks ago and now they are having 200 applicants already applied to this job. Okay, now again here you can create a job alert for this thing. Now now we know that there is a entry level job in this UI and they are hiring. Now I will connect people who are already working in UI at manager level and will ask them to help via the referral. Okay, when they refer you, you get higher chances of getting hired. In the next video, I will tell how to ask for reference and how to look for people who can refer you. All the best.